Hello, and welcome to Anthem of the Seas. This is Deck 10, Stateroom 618. It is a junior suite. So as soon as we enter the room to the right, there is a half bath, sink, little powder room, toilet. And full bath on the right hand side, toilet, sink, and full tub. The only thing I don't like about this bathroom is that the drain is right in the center of the tub. And with this, you do get the Salt and Breeze body soap, shampoo, and conditioners. Little handheld shower unit. Alright, moving out into the room, we have a wardrobe with tons of hanging storage, a little area for shoes underneath. Turning to the right, there's a little half wardrobe, more hanging storage here, nightstand, a couple of cubbies. Phone. There is no outlet by the bed, but there is a light. Our royal king size bed. There is plenty of drawers, blow dryer in here, tons of drawers. The chiller in here. If you do need a mini fridge, please fill out the special needs form because this will not keep insulin and other medication cool. There is a kettle for tea. There are a couple of outlets here. It looks like a European outlet and a North American plug. We have a Lavazza machine, desk, a couple of USB outlets over here. Another European outlet, 2 North American plugs. Nice little sitting area. Opposite side of the bed, we do have a North American plug on this side of the bed, along with the light. Over here, another half wardrobe with some hanging storage. A small safe, not big enough for a laptop, but just for valuables. A couple of drawers, and balcony. Today we are sailing out of Southampton. So this will be our home for the next week. Thanks for watching.